Hi there, this is Cyril Gupta, and today I'm back again with another product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a software called Niche Empire Builder, and this software can help you set up your income streams using micro offers. So, do you know what are micro offers? Well, these are small products, things like cheat sheets, little guidebooks, and even ebooks that you can promote or sell to different niches and make money off them. Usually you have a starting price point that is so affordable, so low that people won't hesitate to buy it, as even if they're very little interested in them. So typically micro offers start at even $1, $2, $3 at as a price point, and when people buy it, they might be shown more expensive products because, again, remember this, the money is in the funnel. So you can get this person in, get your buyer in at a very small price, let's say even $2, and then you can promote other products to them. You can show them other products in the funnel, and the products can get more expensive. So even a $2 buyer could be spending $50, $60 or more with you. Even better, once you create this list of buyers, once you have a set of buyers on your mailing list, you can promote offers to them. You can send affiliate offers, and you can even promote custom made programs, things like coaching, things like personal training, things like collaborations to them, and charge even more. This is a classic funnel strategy and it always works. So this product is pretty cool. I took a look at it earlier and it generates these micro offers pretty fast. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Niche Empire Builder and see what it can do for you. So the first thing, I'm logged into the project right now, and you can see there are actually a couple of upsells right on the front page: Bonus Page Builder and eScribe, which are different products apart from this one. But the main business for us is in the dashboard. This is where you have the details. You will have the credit numbers over here. Typically, it will be unlimited or a very high number. I checked earlier and the credit grant is quite generous. Now, to get a new project started, you click on new projects like this and you give it a name. So let's call it Gardening Cheat Sheet. I always work on the gardening niche, and we need to create a category. If we don't have one, we can create it. Home gardening. Click on add category. Then you select a product name. So remember, project name is different from product name. Product name is what people see. Project name is what you see for your reference. Home tomatoes plant growth cheat sheet. So I'm gonna make a cheat sheet. And you can have the vendor, Mr. Green Thumb. If you want to put in your terms or privacy link, this is where to put it in. I'm going to ignore that. Then you got to select the niche. So I'm going to see what niche I can put it in. So email marketing, content, none of these. I'm going to select custom and put in gardening. Then you have the target customer, complete beginners. Yes. Payment. Yeah, you can get payment to yourself. You can accept payment from your customers using two methods as a part of the software. It can accept PayPal and also Stripe. So if you select PayPal, you need to put in your PayPal ID. And if you select Stripe, you will need to put in your Stripe API key and things like that. It accepts multiple currencies. I will go with USD. And then you need to tell AI the idea about your product, about your cheat sheet. Here is the thing. This is all done by AI. You don't need to create the product yourself. It is done by AI. So let me put in some offer idea over here and I will resume the video when I've done that. So check this out. A cheat sheet that gives people 20 tips and 10 warnings to help them grow healthy and delicious tomatoes in their kitchen garden, right? Now the offer, again, you have this entire list of different kinds of offers that you can prepare. You can prepare checklists, templates, mini guides, step-by-step tutorials, worksheet, cheat sheets, resource lists, script and copy templates, planners, and toolkit. I wanted a cheat sheet, right? And then you can select the price. Typically, I would do something like $199. Yeah, that's a pretty good price point for a micro offer, and you can have people lead up to a full funnel from there. So again, this is the micro offer. That's the entry point of the funnel. It does give you the full funnel. So there is a there is a provision for a cart bump, which you can have, and I would heavily recommend it. So the cart bump can be, for example, a mini guide, and I will do a price point of 5, or let's do 499. And finally, you can also have another upsell, which will be apart from the cart bump. So you get the cart bump as a part of the main offer. People see it on the page itself, and when they've bought it, then they get the upsell. So then you need a little bit more detailed product, something like a mini ebook, consultation call, whatever you want. So how about a consultation call, and you can, for example, charge $97 or $67 for it, and then you just click on generate micro offers funnel, and it takes some time to create it. I will be back when it's finished. Alright, so it's been about a couple of minutes. You can see that the progress bar is moving, things are happening. I know it takes time to create this entire set of resources, so we're just going to be patient and wait. I'll come back up after a few more minutes. All right, so it is done. At least the meter has gone away, so I should be finding it somewhere in projects probably. Yeah, you can see gardening cheat sheet, it's over here. So in actions, I can export it. Here it is. The entire folder is here. Here we go. WinRAR, I'm going to export it. Okay, it should appear right. So here are the files. You can see you've got the upsell. This is the upsell right over here. This is the mini guide. I think it's pretty well structured. Then there is the cheat sheet. I definitely want to check the cheat sheet, ad pack, cart bump. So there is an ad pack. You can place ads for this. Let's expand this again. So these are YouTube ads. There is a proper script, a CTA, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads for every platform, right? So if you want to run ads, you can easily do so using this information. Then this is the cheat. This is the cart bump. This is the mini guide. There is the RTF format mini guide, and there is an email sequence too. So you can, if you got a list already, you can use these emails. Let's see, let's read one of them. Yeah, that would be fun. Grow tasty tomatoes fast, even if you are a total beginner. Imagine stepping outside to pick a sunworm tomato that actually tastes like tomatoes. Think about it. Pretty good start to an email. I think the emails are pretty good. Then you've got Insta Reel script. So if you want to be creating reels on Instagram, this is what you use. Next, the micro offer. That is the cheat sheet, right? I wanted to see it. So you can see 20 practical tips for beginners. That's what I wanted. And 10 essential warnings. Exactly what I was looking for. Hold on, sorry about this, it's my phone. So the cheat sheet is here. That's what you need to sell for that price point. Then you have the social media posts, Facebook posts, and posts for every other platform, LinkedIn. There is a summary for a cheat sheet. So this is like for you, for your reference. These are the price points that you want to target. There is a script for a TikTok video for you. Then this is the upsell. That's the ebook that we created using the AI. So there's a little ebook. I think the ebook is suitable for a mini product too, maybe even a smaller price point. And finally, there is a YouTube video script. So you can actually make a YouTube video promoting this product. So it's like a complete marketing system out here. Right? It's not just one thing. Let's go back to the project. It's not just one thing. It's everything that you get, that you need to get to promote a product, to create your offer. So that's great. And there is a funnel link. So you can distribute your links to your customers who can make a purchase. So let's take a look at that. Check out this page. It's a proper sales page. So there is a headline, there is an add to cart button, everything that you need to make that sale is here too. So you can actually drive traffic to this sales page and make the sale. Even a copyright notice. right? So that's great because it means you don't need anything else to start promoting your micro offer. And it depends on the niche, you know. Many niches have exclusive needs. They have customers who are looking for solutions and who would be happy to pay for micro offers like these. And you can, of course, have them graduate to better products, more expensive products once you have them on board. That's the entire point. Coming back to this, you can point your domain to this too. So in domains, you can add your domain, click on new domain, and for example, let's say mygarden dot or app.mygarden.com or tomatoes, and click on add domain, and you will get details to put in your domain hosting. So it's gonna take a moment. We'll be back when it's set up. All right, so it's already got this. Here is the CNAME for the domain. So you have to create a CNAME record in your DNS entry for your domains and just point it to Niche Empire Builder, and that's all it takes to have your domain pointing to this, so that whenever people try to go to tomatoes.mygarden.com, they'll be taken to your sales page. That's the point. Now in categories, you have the category that you have created and the micro offers that you have in it. You can create multiple offers. I would imagine you would create dozens of the offers for yourself, maybe even for your clients. Yes, there is an agency version, so you can promote this product, you can sell it and make money off it, and you can do that with your own custom name. So you can call it whatever you want, Niche Empire Builder or Niche Builder or Micro Offer Builder or My Micro Offers, whatever you want. You can give it that name, and then you can add clients. You can have people who get access after they've bought it using this add client button. So just put in the name, email, and password that you want to assign, and they will be able to go to your domain name and then get access so that they can log in and make their own micro offers. The reseller version works a little bit different. It will let you create sales offers for this particular product itself. So you can sell Niche Empire Builder and you can keep all the profits. Now, typically people do this after the launch is over. That's why there is a date here. This feature will be enabled on October 13 because they do want their lifetime launch to be over. And after that, they will give you the access, which is great. Now the tutorials are all set up already for you. I saw them earlier. They're just loading now. Yep. So you can watch these tutorials. They're not many and they're easy to consume. They will show you everything about the software there is to learn. So this is quite a simple concept, and it's simple to use too. I just showed you the entire product. In fact, I don't think you need to see tutorials beyond that. Of course, it will have tips and tricks for you to scale up your business, and you will be able to use those tips to sell better. So definitely go ahead and watch them. Now, if you decide to pick up Niche Empire Builder, I strongly recommend that you get it from my link, because then I can give you really cool things free of cost. I'm talking about my products. So I've got a number of great products: video marketing tools, business builders. CloudFunnels is a funnel builder, makes you great funnels, get great sales sites. You can even use it for your customers. Social media marketing tools, email marketing tools, content and SEO, PPC marketing. And then I have many website marketing tools that you can put on your website. In fact, even this is my tool. It's called Converti. This is my tool. It's called PeopleBots. And you can get all of these free of cost. All you need to do is purchase Niche Empire Builder from me using my link. The link is on this page. If you're watching it on YouTube, then the link is in the description. Check it out. If you like this product, buy it from me, and you will get access to my tools using the Technic Force Rewards program. So the website is technicforcerewards.in. Your account is created automatically. Yeah, you don't need to do anything. Anytime you purchase, your account is set up and you can retrieve your password using forgot password, and you will be able to log in, get access to any product you want. There is a little demo over here which shows you exactly how it works.
Hey guys, this is Siddharjeet, your best friend in business, and I want to
to Technic Force Rewards. In case you've never redeemed against software, we even have another detailed helpful video that you can see to see how it works, and you can see all the products that you purchased through us. You can also see information. So yeah, it's simple, it's easy, and it is the best offer on Niche Empire Builder. So should you pick up this product, I will see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, signing off.